Introduce highlight features or overview summary of KedeeSparkle Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner. There are features include 3 adjustable modes. Portable car vacuum powered by a high-speed brushless motor capable of reaching up to 100,000 RPM, delivering powerful performance. 3 adjustable suction levels, 9,000 PA, 16,000 PA, and 22,000 PA, effortlessly handle pet hair, food crumbs, dust, and sand. Multifunctional and multi-scenario. Vacuum cleaner combines suction, blowing, inflating, and deflating capabilities into one device. Equipped with a variety of different nozzle attachments, it meets your diverse needs for use in multiple scenarios such as sofas, compression bags, computers, and inflatable swim rings across home, car, and outdoor settings. Type-C charging. Handheld vacuum cordless supports and includes a Type-C charging cable, adapter not included, enabling charging at any USB port whether in your car or at home. Fully charges in as little as 3 hours and delivers up to 35 minutes of continuous operation, varies by mode. Freedom and convenience. Car vacuum cleaner cordless design frees you from the hassle of cords, allowing you to move freely in your car or home. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to use even in tight spaces, eliminating the frustration of bulky cleaning equipment and bringing convenience to your daily cleaning routine. Dual filter protection. Portable cordless car vacuum cleaner equipped with a filter screen and 2 washable, reusable filters, plastic filter 1, metal filter. The dual filter system effectively prevents impurities and dust from entering the main unit and damaging the motor. LED display. Upgraded mini car vacuum features an LED display, allowing you to intuitively monitor battery levels and select speed modes during use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.